Alright, so we're replacing some sleeves. I'm going to show you taking one off real quick. And then putting one on. Alright, so we're back. We're going to install one of the sleeves here. So I just have some West System epoxy. You should use 410 filler for this. I don't have any yet, so I'll be getting that. That's so if you want to take it off later, it's easier to take off. So I use the pumps for West System, and it seems like 2 pumps thickened can do 4 sleeves. I wouldn't recommend mixing up any more than that at a time. So this is all I do. Just a couple big gloves in there, it'll find its way where it needs to go. Then the tapered end goes towards the blade, and we have a starboard blade here, so there's an S and a P on these, so the S will go up for starboard. Then this oar jig is nice because it shows me exactly where I need to put it. I can get these snug but not too tight because I still want to be able to turn it into the correct position. And I'm using a digital gauge. I know I was told not to. Sorry, Greg. But it's what I have right now, and this table is not exactly level, so once I get my table set up for the jig and I get that totally level, I'll use a regular level. Flat. Tighten these up a little bit more while it's close. And don't do that. Oh no, he's broken. Oh no, we're good. Check this again. For degree down. Zero. And 0.3. 0.2 down. I guess that's why I don't like the digital level. But at least it's close. On these old oars. 0.1. Okay, we're good. We'll slide. Flip it over. And then one screw. We'll hold it in place while it dries. And that's that. So I've got the 4 starboard ones done. Then we'll get 4 port ones done. And these are leaving this weekend.